Hello, Johnny Lennon?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Okay, how's it going?
This is Benny.
How you doing, Benny and the Jack?
I wanna see you in that tight red dress. I wanna love you, baby, make it with you. Hey, little girl, I still love you the best. Hey, little girl, we'll go rockin'. If you know it's Friday night, I'm gonna pick you up early. We'll do it till it turns light. Can't stop turning me on. Hey, little girl in your black silk stockings, love to see you in a tight red dress. I wanna love you, baby, make it with you. Hey, little girl, I still love you the best. Black silk stockings, she wears them every night. Child's unblinking eye. Don't ask me why. Black silk stockings, she wears them every night. Black silk stockings, whenever we start to fight. Black silk stockings, make everything alright. Make everything alright. Make everything alright. It's your turn now. Make it count forever. And if I get you in bed tonight, I'm gonna take off your sweater. Make me feel good, make me feel right now, like the soul is mine. In the dirty little black silk stocking and the silky, silky red, red dress. I wanna love you, baby, make it with you. Here, little girl, I still love you the best. I still love you the best. Little girl. Little girl, turning me on. Oh, you're turning me on. You're turning me on, turning me on. Turning me on, turning me on. now London's got you down. A gray and foggy day, thinking of your own hometown and coming back to stay. Are you coming home? Wonderful day, please don't delay. I need you here. Soon you'll be there. Counting the hours and the minutes till then. You're back in my life again. I remember summertime, graduation day. You didn't mean to be unkind, just needed time to play, so you had to go. But now the years have changed your mind. I think you want me to, and you know nothing could change mine. I'm still in love with you, and you're coming home. Wonderful day, please don't delay. I need you here. Soon you'll be near, counting the hours and the minutes till then. You're back in my life again. You've had yourself a lot of freedom. Now I hope you say I need him. Waiting for flight 405. As I stand and watch it landing, hoping you will understand me, I only prayed that this day would arrive. Thought I'd lose you in the crowd, then I see your face. And if I ever had a doubt, now it's been erased, 'cause you're really wonderful day, please don't delay. I need you here. Soon you'll be near, counting the hours and the minutes till then. You're back in my life again. Back in my life. You're back in my life again. Back in my life again. Strange December evening, driving north beneath the winter chill. I had the strangest vision of an ancient castle on a hill. Found myself at the gate, drawing near to the pier in a dream that I made. As she stood as pale as moonlight in the window, ghostly in the night, her lips were ruby fire. She made me shiver with delight. When she called me by name, she was gone. I was drawn like a moth to a flame. I was gripped with a fever, burning like never before. I stepped through a magical door. And I slipped into the castle, close behind her, lost inside a maze. 100 doors to choose from, and 100 ways to seal my fate. But I wanted her more than I ever had wanted a woman before. werewolf on the floor. I tell myself, try a little more. Now you can find her if you want, but do you want to find the demon who is waiting by the door? What unearthly delight in a spell straight from hell, the seduction of fright. Now I'm lost in the magic, configuration, whispering angel, imagination, doing my dance, my seemingly goods with whoa, dancing from thrones to doors. Like you could use a friend. You've been protected lately, but now you know it's gotta end. Another trip to the chopping mall. Another trip means you're gonna fall. But through it all, you know it's time for goodbye again. I got a nice little job in a nice little town on the fringe of society, on the top of the mountain. We made our way through the laughter and rain and kept a black kettle lid on our deep secret train. And if we fall to our knees in the night, we'll be judge and jury till we get it right. Still I know all the time it's time for goodbye again. Families try to straighten out the neighbors, and the neighbors call the cops at night to bug the shit out of the family. And you're alone, you're in your room, you're not alone, but all too soon you come and it's all over. Hey. Figure out, I can't believe the walls that crawl the softness of your mouth. The night we made it in Amanda's living room. But now the time's the same, the whole thing's going down the drain, and I'm a fool to think it's over. so goodbye and leave the light on when you go. This theme is spent, baby, so let's just say on with the show. I'll just release myself to a dark corner and hide myself till it's all over, 'cause the dreams are gone again. And they say that love is fine, but I can't believe you're mine. Goodbye again. Years ago, you know she didn't fit my style. She'd come around, don't you know? I'd smile and then I'd send her home. But look who's back in town, making all the right moves. I know I put her down, she's a knockout now. Game. You know I saw her yesterday. She didn't even bat an eye. And man, she just don't seem the same. So look who's back in town, making all the right moves. I know I put her down, she's a knockout now. Have done, she come into her own. Thought I was the lucky one, now it's me who's out there in my cold. She's looking so good I can't understand it. I'm falling in love and can't get around it. You never know what you got till you lose it. Now it's too late, so I'll just dream alone. You know I saw her yesterday. I can't believe she walked away. So look who's back in town, making all the right moves. She really put me down. You know how I hate to lose. Now it's me who hangs around. She's a knockout now. She's a knockout now. Ooh, get it. She's a knockout now. She's a knockout now. She's a knockout now. Innocent and young, she is an angel. The girl who once made secret eyes at me. In her eyes I never saw the danger. But how many times did my friends say you're a fool? Don't fall in love with someone too young for you. I called her up at home, she answered sweetly. I said, let's meet, I'd love to talk to you. She said she understood completely. So we walked by the river, side by side in summer sun. I forgot my pride and said, my love, you are the one. Her eyes grew sad, she said, too bad, I only like you as a friend. What could I say? We went our separate ways. I knew my love for her would never end. Looking back at the love that was denied. Now she's far away. This fool believes she'll love me someday when I'm back on the other side. I have a habit of keeping it together. The next time that we met, I played it cool. Standing next to her, it felt like heaven. So we talked for a while, and suddenly the pain was gone. I believed her smile and said, you know you're still the one. Her eyes grew sad, she said, too bad. I thought you knew you're just a friend. What could I say? We went our separate ways. I knew my love for her would never end. Looking back from the other side at the love that was denied. Now she's far away. This fool believes she'll love me someday when I'm back on the other side. Looking back from the other side at the love that was denied. Now she's far away. This fool believes she'll love me someday when I'm back on the other side. When you're in need of a lover, you have to turn your head to look back when times are nothing but trouble. You gotta cry out loud, I'm on your trouble. 'Cause I'm following you, there's nothing evil about it. Following you, just turn around and be doubted. I'm a man with a purpose, you see. There's just no one following me. Dreams come true, baby, until they do. I'm following you. Following you. You could be down on your luck sometimes. You may become aware that I care for the line of the signs that shine along the highway. Baby, I'll be there. 'Cause I'm following you. There's nothing evil about it. Following you. And if you doubt it, I'm a man with a purpose, you see. There's just no one following me. Dreams come true, baby, if you just knew I'm following you. I've been on the road before this time. I found the sun, don't need me to shine. I've got a feeling you need me more. do they do? Follow you, don't even about it. Follow you, yeah, let me ride it. I'm a man with purpose, you see. Let us go on, follow with me. Dreams come true, baby.